Hey guys, today I'm going to be walking through an AI-powered workflow that automatically grabs all the information that may be needed for an MLS form or description. It will just take the address and you can add additional details as well if it's a newer build. It will take the details, it will go through county databases and find parcel numbers, legal descriptions, neighborhood zones. It will grab info such as garage types, tax returns, and it will also automatically have an AI-powered MLS description be generated. It took me a long time to build, and it's got a lot of cool capabilities in it. So I'm going to be walking you guys through what it all does, and we're going to do a test run, and we'll see its result. All right, I have it pulled up here. As you can see, we're going to start off with an agent form. I have that set up in here. This is what I created. I was using Tally. We're going to use an API key to get property info such as lot size, legal description, tax records, whether or not it has heating, cooling type, such and such. We'll come over here and then we'll go into the Ada County database. This is going to be a local type of workflow that works for my area. It's not currently available for everybody just because different areas have different parcel numbers and different databases that I'd have to connect to. So this will be for people in my area who sell homes in Ada County. So it's going to grab the parcel number and also any other legal description that may have not shown up on this API. It'll get pulled from this database. It's going to find the school district to determine which way to go. If it goes the West Ada route, it will then obviously grab the elementary, middle, and high schools for West Ada. And same here for Boise. Both of them are directly connected to the APIs that the counties use themselves, or the school districts use themselves, so they're very, very accurate. We're gonna come in here. As you'll see in a second, I can kind of explain this, but if you so choose, you can have it create an MLS description for you. Some people don't like to have AI do that, some people do. It just depends on your preference, so I've made it an option. And then it'll create the email for you and send it right off to you. It takes about 30 seconds in total versus you going yourself and going to every single database and figuring it all out. Probably take you about 30-40 minutes if you include writing the description. So it's definitely a big time saver here, and we'll get started. I just pulled up Zillow and grabbed a random house here, so we're going to be looking at this address that we'll be putting in. I'll put in my name first. Just some basic info. I'll just put my business name right here. For the street address, it was 2419 West Hill Road in Boise, Idaho. And then our zip code. Will be here. And then I give you guys an option for newer homes that are under construction, may not have been built yet. You're going to want to fill this in manually to override the system. But if you decide not to put that in, it's totally okay. It will get picked up over here by the Rentcast API set up. The only reason it wouldn't pick it up is in the case of it being a new house. Like I've said, it's currently being built. It doesn't have that info yet. Listing price, we have to include $825. And then it'll give us the option whether or not we'd like to generate an MLS discovery or summary. We're going to say yes. Special features, let's maybe look at it for a second. We'll say, I can't really tell here from anything interesting because it'll pick up the images as well because we'll include an image. We're just going to leave the special features blank, but as a realtor, you would know special features. And that just makes it easier for the AI to generate a compelling MLS summary. Go to my downloads. Just put that in. So now we have a picture inserted as well. And now we're just going to press get your info. It should be active, so we'll press it. It's going to take a little bit. And once it's done, I'll show you the result. All right, so here we go. Here's the full home report, property information. We got the property summary. We got bedrooms, bathrooms, square feet, year built, property type. It was able to grab all that information from the web because if you remember, we actually did not submit that information, even though we could have. We have an MLS summary here that is compliant with MLS laws. You can always adjust it. It's a good starter. I would obviously recommend that as an agent, you go in and you adjust this yourself, but it saves you the 15-20 minutes to get it all started. It has features such as cooling, heating, exterior type, floor count, garage type, stuff like that. That's pretty tedious. It doesn't always come through this information. It honestly is pretty dependent on what's being shown in this get property info rentcast. So some houses this will come up, some houses it won't, but it will always have the property summary, the MLS summary if you'd like, the schools. It will always have schools. So instead of having to go to the school district website and search it all up yourself, it just pops up right here for you in about 20 seconds. Got the legal description, lot size, acreage, parcel number, subdivision, legal description, section, and it also came through with tax assessments and property taxes. Again, that is like the features. Some houses may not have property taxes or features, just depending on the house. But in about, let's say it took a minute to fill out the form and 20 seconds to go here, it takes about a minute and a half to get all this information and an MLS summary that's, I would say, about 80% done. You know, obviously there's going to be some adjusting that needs to be done to make it more human and to fit certain criteria. But overall, it saves a lot of time, and if you could put that time towards other activities, it would be a lot more beneficial than being tedious and going through all these. Kind of a pain in the butt. No one likes to do it, and this does it for you. So hopefully that gives you an idea of what AI can do for you in the real estate business. If you guys have any suggestions in terms of other automations that you'd like to see, please let me know. And thanks again for watching.